YouTube. Today I'm doing another taste test video with more Japan candy. It's like a something, I don't know. I just got my hair cut. So you're supposed to cut this to make it look like a racing. There's Freddy Fazbear. They look so happy. Japan is happy. It always is. And let's create it. If I can open it. Oh, I can. Sorry about that. It's doors. Everybody hates doors. I mean, if you like doors, then you're awesome. If you hate doors, then you're awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my! Oh my! Whoa! What? Are we supposed to punch this out? What? That's weird. We're supposed to punch this piece out? Oh, okay, I see. This is gonna take hours. Absolute hours. I'll just punch out the penguin. Or is this a penguin? I don't know. But let's just punch it out. Don't break his face apart, please. Oh no, I did break his face apart. Oh crud. His face is broken apart. I broke his face. I'll just stitch it back together. I wish you could do that with girlfriend and boyfriend. Tastes like flour. Ew. I don't know. So, yeah. My brother makes awful ruckus because he's a ruckus maker. He needs to shush down so I can make my video. Okay. Eepy. Especially when he's playing video games. I would like it if he was upstairs right now so he wouldn't make so much noise. Oh my gosh, I'm bad at this. Okay, so we're supposed to get this. Instructions are on the back. You guys have to be quiet! Laughing. So, you gotta mix it up.
Your brother's just playing something called Gmod.
Yeah, Gary's Mod. I might be playing a playthrough on that maybe. If it works. For me it's not working that good. Okay. Oh. Okay. So we gotta take a piece. Now we gotta attach this. This might look terrible. I don't know what I've done. Don't think I did it right though. But he looks cute, I guess. He doesn't look like a complete monster. That's the good thing. He doesn't look like a complete monster. He looks kind of cute. Hi, my name is Jeff. Jeffrey, the professional racer. I love candy. Okay. So, let's put him with his friends right here. On this thing. He's on the racetrack. Taste test. Am I supposed to swallow this? Yeah, I think I am. I hope I am. I'll leave the rest for this later. So all the stuff back here. Has the flavor of strawberry gum. Just an unexplainable flavor. So next thing is this. I don't know. It's like a dip thingy. There's I think it's a girl and a boy. I think they weren't trying to make this sexist, where it was just a girl candy or just a boy candy. So they made it both. If you guys don't know what the word sexist means, it means offensive to both races of girl and boy. So yeah. So my brother's pointing at Wasabi Kit Kat. You want to come in the video?
Sure.
Okay. Here's my brother, guys. First, you gotta bend down a little bit. Okay. Okay. So we have these weird packets. Here's a sprinkle. I don't know.
Got it.
And then spoons.
I really don't want to eat this.
Yeah.
It's green.
I have some too. Is it spicy? Wasabi Kit Kats, guys.
Tastes like a Kit Kat.
That's the good thing. What is this corner about for?
It's just like a Kit Kat.
That's all?
Yeah.
Wait, let me try. Wasabi Kit Kat.
I thought it was gonna be spicy.
Me too.
It's like kind of like a hint. Like it's there, but it doesn't taste like wasabi. This.
Yeah, it has that. Yeah.
I like it.
But it's green Kit Kat. With a hint of a different flavor.
It's like a little spice.
Mhm.
It was pretty good.
Now we have a bunch of this stuff.
Wait. So this is just a bunch of Japanese lettering with a happy guy.
Wait, I need to get some scissors, guys.
It's a happy dude. So happy.
What are the scissors?
Why is it just a bunch of happy people?
I'm always not ready. I'm always unready for everything. I can't
Wasabi
find
Kit Kat.
scissors.
10 out of 10. Would eat again.
Where are the scissors, Eli? Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't find scissors. Guys, they're right there. Don't exit out the video yet. Or else you can get yourself killed by doing that. I think. Okay, we'll just use these weird hair scissors for cutting hair. Okay, I'm back, guys. I hope we don't require water. It says number 1, so we should... I think we do require water. I don't know how to do this. Powdery. Do we require water? Let me just see. By ripping. It ripped off. So, sisters, is this where we put the water in? Okay, guys. Did you guys see that? I don't know. I'm gonna get some water. I don't know anything what I'm doing right now. I just hope I'm doing the right thing. I hope I'm doing the right thing. I think I am. That'd be bad if I wasn't. Okay. So we need to get a spoon. It works. Intensified mixing. Oh! It's working. Oh my gosh, this is weird. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but it's kind of gooey. Japan! Awesome. America's all like, Japan is all like, you gotta make your candy to eat it. Takes effort. Son, get used to it. And then, part 2. Do we add this? Can I add 2 flavors? Yay! Let's do it. Guys, I don't know what I'm... Guys and girls, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just mixing. Oh my gosh, this is becoming thick. Oh my gosh! What the heck? It just turned pink! It went from purple to pink! Magic, son! Magic! Holy crap, Japan! I am so scared! Japan are the gods of candy. They created candy, man. They created the creation of creating candy. I don't know what I just said. Okay, let's add in the sprinkles and get all this junk out of the way. There you go. Ooh. All this junk. Okay, let's add some sprinkles. My brother is yelling his head off. So, add the sprinkles in. Okay, we got, it's so thick for the humanity of men. This looks awesome. Gooey. Okay, now we take this one. Oh, this is the boy version. Ah! I made a mess. So, sorry guys if this video is too long. It's not my fault, man. So, let's take them. Yeah. I've never done this before, guys. I mean, I've done videos. That's a good thing. Because I'm experienced with videos. I know how to do videos. I have a mess right here. So, where's that little cuppy thingy that we used to get water? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go get some more water. I'll be back, guys. There's a lot of water, but who cares? Don't spill. Don't spill. Okay, I'm back with water. Just this much water? It's not a lot. Oh, it's yellow this time. We need another spoon. CPR. CPR. We gotta go faster. It looks like a banana flavor. Just mix it up. The sound that this makes though is crunchy. I hope it's not crunchy. I hope it's soft like it should be. I hope I'm doing it right. That's the thing I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, I mean. I hope I'm doing it right. So, we have 2 flavors, everybody. Which one would you like? Would you want the strawberry or the banana? Oh yeah, that is banana. It smells like it. Cotton candy. Would you want the candy or banana? Your choice. Okay, I'm gonna feed cotton candy to you guys. Just eat it up. You guys done? Okay. Now here, have your banana. Here's your banana. Have some of that. Oh, no, this is grape and cotton candy. Yeah. The thickest one is the grape. So let's have a test, flavor test on the grape with sprinkles. Come on. It's like soft. Then you put it into your mouth, and then it becomes foamy. So weird. Weird. Banana. I'm excited. I love bananas. But will this be the banana I love? Mmm! Yes, it is the banana I love. Mmm! Oh! Mmm. This is all the Japanese candy I have left, but not stopping there, guys. I'll be back. Now this is where the curiosity comes in, everyone. This is where I tried to open soda. Yeah, raw moon. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So I can hear my brother just going, "No, Mommy!" Yeah, you can hear him. I hope not. Yeah, you guys can't hear him. He's weird when he's talking that way. I can't open it! Scissors. Oh my god, my brother's being sacrificed. I don't want to go. If you guys know what that is from, leave it in the comments. And I hope you guys do know what that's from. It's a show I love. Starts with a D, ends with an O. Yeah, it's Doctor Who. So, I already know the instructions, Strub. You ain't gotta ask me. So, here's a marble at the top. So you see that guys right here? That's a marble. Yeah, I know. Japan. It's awesome. I think you do it like, you gotta like push it down. Or is it this way? Do I do it this way? Nope. Obviously not that way. So you have to. What about the? That's breaking it. Oh, am I supposed to break it? I think I am. Oh. I did it! I did it! Guys, whoa! Mist is coming out of the top! What the heck? It's in there! See it? It's rolling around! That's so cool! It's fizzy. That's a marble. Does it taste like strawberry, but like not strawberry? It tastes like game strawberry, like in a video game. People have died from this actually, because either somehow the marble actually got out, or it got slipped out, and a guy choked. And also, a marble could, if you shake it too much, it will break the marble, or it could break the glass. And it says right here, marble could break and injuries could occur. Like if it broke, then the glass will go into your mouth. But if you're a man that can eat glass, then you're fine. Because I know a man who can. He's in the world record book, actually. I don't know him, but I've seen him. So, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, baboons. See what I did there?